Let's say you've got a furniture store. Maybe you're just getting started, or maybe you've been around for a while, and you're trying to grow it to consistent six-figure months online. What do you actually focus on? Where should your time and energy go? That's what I want to break down in this video. Because if I were starting fresh today, here's exactly what I do to grow a furniture store to 100 grand per month. If we haven't met yet, I'm Dair. I scaled my own furniture store to over $9 million in sales. And now I help other store owners to grow using better systems, better websites, and strategy. Let's get into it. So step 1, I would focus on one category and one core buyer. This is where the most stores mess up early. They try to sell everything to everyone and end up with a store that feels generic and forgettable. That was us too. In the beginning, we had bedroom sets, dining tables, outdoor chairs, coffee tables, you name it. But when we focused on one niche, things got way easier. So I would ask, what category do I want to dominate? Maybe it's modern sofas, or farmhouse dining tables, or small space furniture for apartments and condos. Pick your lane and build your site. Product photos, ads, and messaging around that. Once you're doing 100K a month, sure, you can expand, branch out, but at the start, simplicity sells. Step 2, build a website that actually converts. Not just something that looks pretty, something that makes people buy. You really only need 3 things. First, a fast, mobile-friendly layout. Most of your traffic is on mobile. If your site is slow or hard to use on a phone, you're losing money. Second, strong product pages. That means clear, benefit-driven descriptions, multiple product photos, including lifestyle shots, and answers to common questions right on the page. Third, trust everywhere. Add reviews, show real customer photos, explain delivery, and include a short About Us section with a photo or video of you. If someone lands on your site, likes what they see, and has 0 doubts by the time they hit add to cart, you're doing it right. Step 3, start small with ads, but track everything. You don't need a huge ad budget to grow. I would start with 30 to 50 bucks a day. That's about 1 grand to 1,500 a month. And I would focus that budget on just 2 types of campaigns. Number 1, prospecting for your top products, ideally with a clear offer or promotion. Number 2, retargeting ads. These follow people who visited your site but didn't buy. Those warm leads often convert like crazy, and the ad spend is minimal. And here's the key. Track everything. Set up your meta pixel, use UTM links, watch your cost per add to cart, cost per purchase, and ROAS. Even if the numbers aren't amazing right away, the data you collect will help you to improve fast. Step 4, capture leads, not just sales. This is the big one. Most stores focus only on the people who are ready to buy right now. But what about the ones who are interested but just not quite ready yet? That's where lead capture comes in. You can use pop-ups or embed forms to collect emails and phone numbers. In exchange, offer something useful. Maybe a 50% discount, free delivery for first-time customers, or maybe a style quiz, or a downloadable room layout guide. Now, once you've got that contact info, follow up. Send helpful emails, share product tips, highlight bestsellers, answer common questions. These people might buy in 2 days or 2 weeks, but when they do, they'll remember you. Step 5, make the buying experience friction-free. This one's huge. It's not just about the marketing. It's about making the checkout process feel smooth and safe. That means clear delivery timelines, no hidden fees, flexible payment options, and support if they need it. Even something simple like offering live chat or giving customers a number they can text with questions can make a massive difference, especially on higher ticket items. When you show you're available and ready to help, you win trust and the sale. And here's a bonus point. 1 most people overlook. Start building a brand, not just running promotions. Yes, offers work, but long-term, you need people to feel connected to your store. Post behind-the-scenes clips, tell your story, share customer photos, let people see the humans behind the business. You don't need to be an influencer, but you do need to be real, because brands that create connection, they last. So quick recap. If I had to grow a business, a furniture store to 100K a month today, here's what I do. Focus on one clear product category. Build a website that converts. Run simple and trackable ads. Capture and nurture leads. Make it easy and personal to buy. And start building a brand people trust. That's the foundation. And it works, whether you're starting from 10K a month or even 0. Now, if you want help setting up the system, that's what we do. There's a link below if you want to check it out. Totally up to you. Either way, I hope this gave you some real clarity and steps you can start on this week. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.